Hi, this is Meghna and today we have Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 and let's have the closer look. Let's start with the instrument cluster first. Here we have instrument cluster, then there is a tripper, and here we have LED headlamp, then halogen indicators, upside down fork. This is 320 mm front disc. Here we have round mirrors. Let's talk about the tank first. The capacity of tank is 13.7. Meteor का जो capacity है, which is like 15.7, 2 लीटर ज़्यादा है. Then we'll talk about the exhaust. Exhaust, I think it's little out of the frame. Let's talk about the engine. 648 cc का engine है, which produces power of 47 PS and 42 Nm of torque. It is a parallel twin engine, which is air cooled. So the best part is you get adjustable lever. This is how you can adjust, and brake lever as well. See. Let's talk about riding position. Footrest are middle placed. Handlebar is at little lower side. Of course, it's a bobber, that's why. About handlebar, I think it should be more wider for comfortable handling and comfortable position. And ground clearance, obviously, it's 144 mm. So let's talk about the seat. I think seat is comfortable because after maybe 100 kilometer ka ride in city, I didn't feel any discomfort. Especially want to talk about rear brake. तो 2-pot caliper है, but आप जब भी hard braking कर रहे हो, you have to think twice because it's little sketchy. आपको बहुत सेंसिटिवली सॉफ्ट ब्रेकिंग करनी है बिकॉज आई थिंक 300 mm का डिस्क है, वहाँ पे 2-pot कैलिपर इज लिटिल बिट बिगर फॉर दिस. यू गेट 3 वेरिएंट्स. फर्स्ट इज कस्टम शेड विच कॉस्ट 5.59. सेकेंड एंड थर्ड इज कस्टम स्पेशल एंड कस्टम प्रो विच कॉस्ट 3.79. दिस ऑल बॉडी इज मेड ऑफ मेटल. Here, then here, tank. Even the headlamp cover, no wonder why it weighs 240 kgs. About the bike height and bike weight. बैठे बैठे निकाल लेती हूँ, ट्राई कर लेती हूँ कि निकल जाए because it seems heavy.